Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James, and he's going to help us unbox another toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the Fortnite Battle Royale collection.
Wow, and what's the name of the character?
Wukong.
Awesome. Guys, we have Fortnite today. Let's jump in.
We've never done a Fortnite video.
Yes,
so
this is our first Fortnite unboxing.
These are the ones that we could collect.
Over 100 figures, guys.
Over 100 figures to collect.
100 figures to collect.
Okay, so let's open it up
And see what we got.
see what we got. Okay, so here it is.
Wow, that is so cool.
So first let's take out the character, Wukong. Here is Wukong.
Whoa, it looks scary.
He looks strong.
Yes, scary and strong. Look at his biceps. Nice.
Flex. So
Yes,
Wukong has an axe that he could hold and he could strike people with.
Oh wow. I hope he doesn't strike us.
Yeah, that will not be good. Because we think Wukong is our friend.
Yes.
Look at Wukong. He
Now
has
you have to put the shield on. What does it say on it?
it has a V.
Oh, V. Oh, wow.
Guys, we put the shield on.
Cool.
So see through. Now we're doing the last one. I think it's a light bulb.
Is that what it uses to fight? Yep.
It's a blue light bulb, I believe.
Okay. So, children, today's Tony Robbins quote says, setting goals is a first step in turning the invisible into the visible. That means if you want to achieve a goal, if you want to do the impossible, if you want to do well, you have to set goals. When you set the goals, that is a first step into turning something that is invisible into something that is visible. If, for an example, your teacher gives you an assignment, the first thing is to set the goal on when to finish the assignment, when you want to start your assignment, and when you want to finish it, so that you can do it and submit before the deadline. So that way, you're turning the invisible, that is finishing the assignment, into something visible. Let's just say you are part of a drama group or you want to sing for your school. The first thing you have to do is to set goals that you want to achieve. Like when you want to go for rehearsals, when you're planning to go for the first dry run, all those things are things that you do, you begin to plan, so that way you turn the invisible, that is you acting or you singing, into something visible. If you learn something from this, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Look at that. It's not impossible for us because we just put together the character.
Wukong.
Look at that. Wukong. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.